Welcome to Dr. Rao's lecture series. Topic of this video: strength of materials, deflection of simply supported beam subjected to concentrated load. Deflection of simply supported beam with concentrated load. Consider a simply supported beam with asymmetrical concentrated load as shown in figure. Let L is length of the beam, W load acting as shown in the figure, RA reaction at the end A due to load W, RB reaction at the end B due to the load W, E Young's modulus of the beam material, I moment of inertia of cross section of the beam. Taking moments about end A, W into A equal to RA into L. The value of RA is WA by L. Taking moments about the end B, W into B equal to RB into L. RB is WB by L. Equation of bending moment for this beam is EI d square y by dx square equal to WA by L into x minus W into x minus b. Let us say this is equation 1. Integrating the above equation, EI dy by dx equal to WA by L x square by 2 plus C1 minus W into x minus b whole square by 2. This is equation 2. C1 is constant. This equation gives the slope of deflection curve. Integrating the above equation, EIy equal to WA by L into x cube by 2 into 3 plus C1x plus C2 minus W into x minus b whole cube divided by 2 into 3. This is equation 3. C2 is constant. This is equation of deflection curve. Substituting limiting conditions in the equation 3, the values of C1 and C2 can be found out. At x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Substituting these values in equation 3, EI into 0 equal to WA by L 0 cube by 6 plus C1 into 0 plus C2. X is equal to 0 cannot be substituted in the last term as x is equal to 0 lies between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to b. The last term is applicable for distances after the value b. It implies C2 equal to 0. At x is equal to L, y is equal to 0. Substituting these values in equation 3, EI into 0 equal to WA by L into L cube by 6 plus C1L minus W into L minus B cube by 6. It implies 0 equal to WA L square by 6 plus C1 L minus WA cube by 6. Instead of L minus B, we have substituted A. It implies C1 equal to minus WA by 6L into L square minus A square. The equation of deflection is EIy equal to WA by L into x cube by 6 minus WA by 6L into L square minus A square into x minus W into x minus b whole cube by 6. Let us say this is equation 4. To find out deflection at x is equal to b, by substituting x is equal to b, EIY equal to WA by L B cube by 6 minus WA by 6L into L square minus A square into B minus W into B minus B whole cube by 6. We'll get EIY equal to WAB cube by 6L minus WA by 6L into L square minus A square into B. By simplifying, EIY equal to WAB by 6L into B square minus L square plus A square. That is, we have taken common WAB by 6L. By substituting L is equal to A plus B, we will get EIY equal to WAB by 6L into B square minus within bracket A square plus B square plus 2AB bracket close plus A square. By simplifying, we will get EIY equal to minus WA square B square by 3L. Deflection Y equal to WA square B square by 3EIL. Negative sign indicates deflection is downwards. If A equal to B, that is, if load is applied at the center of the beam, deflection Y is WL cube by 3EI. Substituting the value of C1 in equation 2, the slope of the deflection curve is EI dy by dx equal to WA by L x square by 2 minus WA by 6L into L square minus A square minus W into x minus B whole square by 2. By substituting the value of x, you can find out the slope of deflection curve at any point. Consider a problem. Prove without deriving the mathematical expression for a maximum deflection that in a simply supported beam acted upon by a concentrated load, maximum deflection will be under the load only when the load acts at midspan. Consider a simply supported beam ABC of length L as shown in the figure. Let a concentrated load W acts at a distance x from support B. Hence, deflection under load W at the point C is YC equal to WX square into L minus X whole square divided by 3EIL. To find out condition for YC to be maximum, differentiate equation YC and equate to 0. It implies dyc by dx equal to 0. dyc by dx equal to d by dx of wx square into L minus x whole square by 3EIL equal to 0. By taking constant terms outside, w by 3EIL d by dx of x square into L square plus x square minus 2LX equal to 0. By differentiating, we will get L square 2x plus 4x cube minus 6LX square equal to 0. By simplifying, we will get 2x square minus 3LX plus L square equal to 0. The roots of x are 3L plus or minus root over 9L square minus 8L square by 4. The value of x equal to L by 2. Hence, maximum deflection occurs under load W when it is placed at midpoint of the beam.